Hi there, and thanks for trusting Safe Harbor Title to guide you through your home buying journey. As your settlement date gets closer, one of the most important steps you'll take is getting your cash to close to us. That's your down payment and closing costs. And at Safe Harbor Title, we only accept these funds via wire transfer. Now, we know wire transfers can feel a little intimidating, especially with the increasing reports of wire fraud in the real estate industry. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through it safely. To protect your money, we partner with CertifID, a secure platform that delivers your wire instructions in a private, encrypted environment. Once you receive the instructions, you'll always want to call our office directly to verify them. This extra step is critical. It helps ensure you're not being misled by a fraudulent email or fake link. Here's what not to do. Don't copy, paste, forward, or share your wire instructions. Never trust last-minute changes to wiring information. Always call us to confirm. We do not accept certified checks, cashier's checks, credit cards, or cash. The wire transfer must be completed and received in full before closing can take place. At Safe Harbor Title, your peace of mind is our priority. That's why we go above and beyond to make sure every transaction is safe, secure, and seamless. If you have questions about wiring your funds or what to expect at closing, just give us a call. We're always here to help.